This video shows you how to change the channel ID on a group series remote. The channel ID is the channel your group series and remote use to communicate. If you have multiple group series, setting two or more to the same channel ID could result in the remote from one group series controlling another group series and causing issues with other ongoing calls. To change the channel ID, go into your group series web interface, select Admin Settings, General Settings, System Settings, Remote Control Keypad and Power. Use the drop-down menu next to Channel ID to select which channel you would like to run the group series on. Check to ensure that no other group series you have is using this channel. Click Save. Next, you need to set your remote to use the selected channel. Start by holding the call and mute buttons simultaneously until a red light shows at the top of the remote. Use the number keys to enter the channel ID number you chose on the web interface. The red light flashes when the channel ID has been set. Your group series and remote can now communicate. This concludes the tutorial.